What is eduStreamTV, you ask? It's a special series we are doing specifically focused on live streaming and education.
So you have 5 layers of which you can play with. Anything you want in that foreground is on top. Anything you want on the bottom is in the background. You can find all of your video sources, whether that's cameras, your network sources, your NDI sources, audio. You just plug it in and you're really ready to go.
Is one of our case studies for the University of Rhode Island. On their campus, they use 30 Pearl Minis in their lecture capture environments, as well as 3 Pearl 2s in their auditorium spaces.
But what I want you to see is that there are many methods and modes of operation. So one of the things that I can start with here is what I like to call the express mode. This really hides a lot of the deeper functionality of the TriCaster and lets media really come to the forefront. Here, by clicking on tiles and using on-screen displays, very easy to get started.
Today we're going to be talking all about live sports production.
I'm recording a bunch of angles, and as we're watching sort of the clips happen, I can go through and really easily just use one button. So there's lots of different ways to approach simple replays with the 3Play. In my options menu, I can set how far in the past I want my replay to happen.
You have many use cases and many places that the Solo fits into perfectly. It fits into drama departments, athletics, broadcast journalism programs.
Today's category, PTZ cameras, is something that so many people in education can relate to.
So I'm going to show you, I'm just going to walk backwards here, and you're going to see it's still tracking me. So you do not need to have the actual 15 different pieces of software. You can do it all within one piece of software.
And then only when I move out of that larger circle will it try to reposition me into that inner circle or that inner static zone. So if I move here, for example, now it will come and just really gently get me into that.
I really love this customer story that you've got up there, Jim. It's this to me, they've captured the full essence of what is possible with BirdDog cameras.
Watch all the great video tutorials from our last event and join our email list to learn of future events at edustreamtv.com.